everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your team's name in Canva application. So let's get started. Without further ado, first, open your Canva application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main homepage of Canva, after logging in, tap on the menu button at the top left-hand corner. In the expanded pop-up menu, tap on Settings at the bottom. Now, scroll down to your team and then tap on the Team Details option. Under Team Details, you'll be able to see your team's name and description. In order to change your name, tap the Edit button right next to your team's name and erase the current name for your team. Enter a new one and tap on the Save button when done. Soon after you save the change, you'll be able to change your team name. That is how you can easily change team's name in your Canva application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.